Today I'm making ice cream with cinnamon hearts. Melting cinnamon hearts into cream really mellows out their flavor. The ice cream has a really nice, warm, and mildly spicy taste that I think you'll love. This recipe is quick and easy, and it's available on my website. Let's get started. First, fill a large bowl about halfway with ice water. Get a medium bowl and a strainer that fits inside of it ready and set aside. Add 302 grams or 1 2/3 of a cup of whole milk, 150 grams or 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 60 grams or a half cup of skim milk powder to a medium saucepan and whisk until combined. Add 302 grams or 1 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream and whisk. Add 200 grams or 1 cup of cinnamon heart candies and heat over medium heat while whisking constantly until the candies melt. This will take about 10 minutes. At one point, they'll start clumping up together like this. Just keep heating the milk while stirring until it's all melted and combined. Remove from the heat and carefully pour over 3 large egg yolks in a heat-proof bowl while whisking. Return to the saucepan and heat over medium heat while stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes or until slightly thickened. Pour through the sieve into a medium bowl, then place it in the ice water bath. Stir occasionally until it stops steaming. Press a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface and chill in the fridge until cool, about 1 to 2 hours. When you're ready to churn the ice cream, remove the plastic wrap and squeeze out as much cream from it as you can. Churn according to your ice cream maker's directions. When it's done, it will have the consistency of soft serve. To make it a scoopable ice cream, put it in an airtight container, ideally one that has been frozen beforehand for a couple hours so it doesn't melt the freshly churned ice cream, and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. There you have it, a delicious, warm, and slightly spicy ice cream perfect for enjoying with your beloved, or all by yourself. I promise I won't judge. Anyway, making this has me wondering what other candies I could make ice cream from. Leave me a comment with your suggestions for what other candies I should try. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.